In this insightful conversation, we unwrap the tech leadership journey of Vaishali Patel, a seasoned professional with over 20 years experience in the tech industry and currently the head of software engineering at Zopa Bank. Vaishali's extensive experience spans across various industries, enhancing her skill set from development to leading large teams of 50 or even more people. She shares her journey from hands-on technical roles to managing development teams and implementing agile methodologies. We discuss a lot of things, some of which include Vaishali's path from early tech education to becoming a seasoned tech leader, Vaishali's leadership evolution, her journey in evolving her leadership style and managing tech teams, breaking barriers, tackling the challenges women face in the tech industry specifically, challenges in agile implementation and overcoming hurdles to foster efficient tech dynamics. Most importantly, the power of diversity and how cultural diversity enriches tech teams and drives innovation. We also touched upon decentralized decision-making and how it can empower teams for effective problem-solving. And finally, we briefly discussed the future of banking, insights on digital currency, and the evolving landscape of banking security. Join us and jump into Vaishali's insightful journey and her impactful contributions to the tech world. This is a Baldur Connect podcast. Baldur Connect is a recruitment agency for tech companies. If ever such a need arises in your company, please make sure to reach out. And now, without further ado, jump into this conversation with Vaishali Patel.
Unwrapped Tech Leadership Journeys, Baldur Connect podcast.